Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know for do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. I'm back again. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. My people, may I get right into it. Uno need to hear this. Veteran dancehall artist Bounti Killer has called on Jamaicans to put aside their die-hard partisan ways and to consider policies the next time they go to the polls to cast their ballots. My peoples on the ear where Bounti Killer say, "Uno remove on a die-hearted attitude. Uno take that out on the heart for being die-hearted cannot help. Uno make sure so uno go and vote out the one Andrew Holness. Vote for Mark Golden, my people, you understand? Because, you see, so Mark Golden, he's doing his best. All Andrew Holness do, I rub up the taxpayer money. And he not spend it the way he's supposed to spend it. My people, we cannot have a leader. We cannot have a leader that is under investigation. No. Them have to come out, them have to name out the 6 persons that is under investigation. And Andrew Holness have to declare his asset first before election call. And that's the thing there right now. You understand? Because you cannot have six thief. That 6 thief. We cannot afford to have 6 thief and lead the country. No way. No way, my people. There's more than 6 thief, to my understanding. A whole heap of them, about 45 of them. But 6 of them stand out in the JLP party. When I hear what me I say, 6 of them stand out in the JLP party, and we want to hear the name of the 6 before they call election, because we do not want somebody like Andrew Holness that cannot declare his asset, that he claimed that he declared his asset to the Integrity Commission, but Integrity Commission find what he declared to them is not satisfactory at all. You understand? Right, my people. So we have to hear the 6 name before election call. Because Andrew Holness, you have to come out and declare your asset. We not forget about you. So when you hear what Bounti Killer say, all of the die-hearted them, you have to take out the die-heartedness out of your heart. You understand? And deal with truth and right. Deal with what is right for Jamaica. We want Jamaica to be a better place. That's what we want. Jamaica to become a better place. We don't want no other country I look upon our country and I say, ratted, Jamaica the most corrupted country in the world. No, we don't want that. We don't want that. We want to get rid of corruption. We want to get rid of corruption, my people. And the only way to get rid of corruption is get rid of Andrew Holness. We have to let Andrew Holness step down. He has to resign because he's not a man of integrity, my people. You understand? So me agree with what Bounti Killer say. If you don't agree with Bounti Killer say, put it in the comment section, my people. Put it in the comment section. Because me agree, Me know what Bounti Killer say, You understand? Because die-hearted, to feel like Andrew Holness feel like Andrew Holness is doing good. When Andrew Holness is not doing good, I mean, I know how die-hearted cannot see that. What I do, overlook it, really and truly. So prefer to serve man. Let me put it like this. Man, when I help yeah, more than pick the future. Listen to me, man. A God we have to call upon. And you hear me? God come first. Hear what me say? God come first. And we cannot have a corrupted leader. We need to know who is the 6th thief in the party before election call. That we want to know. Them need to name out the 6 because me not understand how comes they name out the 4 in a petro drum. Yeah, now the 6 can't call. Me telling us that Juliet Holness is very deceitful. She's very deceitful. You understand? And to me, this seems like it's a cover-up. You understand me, my people? To me, it seems like there's a cover-up. I don't know why she's a Madam Speaker. How the hell can you have a husband and wife? One Prime Minister, one a Madam Speaker. No. This is conflict of interest. No way. She need to step down. She need to step down. She need to resign. The whole of them need to resign. No need to left. My viewers and subscribers, we have to cheer for Mark Golden right now. Because the way all the country are go, it not go good. You understand me? It not go good. Nobody not even know, nobody not even sure if Andrew Holness legalized the rainbow thing. We not even know that. You understand? Because the rate how Andrew Holness a move, we don't like it. So my people, wanna tell me what to think about this. Put an honest opinion in the comment section for me. Hear this. The Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport has officially launched its gender-based violence helpline and sexual harassment investigation units. These are in response to the high incidence of gender-based violence across Jamaica. The units were opened by Portfolio Minister Olivia Grange during Wednesday's International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women banner event at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in New Kingston. Yes, Babsy Grange, me like this way you launch. Yeah? But something like this should have done very long time ago. Yeah, man, something like this should have done very long time ago. Yeah? Something like this, my people, should not do now. Because a whole heap of pitney, a whole heap of baby mother, a whole heap of people lose them life to violence and crime. You understand me? A lot of people. You understand me? So if you see you do this now, Babsy Grange, me really like what you're doing. You understand? Me really like what you're doing. And I hope them use this unit and do them work to the best of their abilities. You understand? Because enough time when they say them do investigation not done fairly. You understand me? So, me like what you do. Me like what you put in place. Me like the idea where you come up with. And this is a good move. Because too much things is happening in our country. Too much domestic violence is happening. Too much crime. Too much killing is happening. You understand? And Andrew Holness, nah, don't have a crime plan. Horace Trang, number one, Horace Trang is a doctor. By the way, Horace Trang is in the wrong field, my people, because he's a medical doctor. So I don't understand why he's a security minister. And for those who don't know, Horace Trang is also the deputy prime minister. So when Andrew is not around, Horace Trang are the one who in charge. Who know. So nobody no contact say, all news this. I want to know for a long time. Some people don't know that Horace Trang is the deputy prime minister of Jamaica. They only know that he's the security minister. So me, I put it over to you now, make you know. Say, Horace Trang is the security minister and the deputy prime minister of Jamaica. Yes, because he doesn't have a crime plan. For somebody who is security minister and deputy prime minister, him and Andrew together, head weak. They don't have no crime plan. Them don't know what them are do. All them do, I just get the soldier them and I put the soldier them in certain areas, which that not help. That is not helping. Because I tell you already about the 17-year-old with Diane Zozo in the area. You understand what I try to show now? Some people, it's a good thing Babsy Grange come up with this. Because right now, the way how things are go, the amount of killing we are happen, boy, we really need this. They need to go deeper in this. Anyway, and tell me how you think about this. Put an honest opinion in the comment section for me, guys. Like up the video, share out the video, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.